My name's Ethan Estess. I'm an artist and ocean scientist from California. So I grew up surfing and fishing, and through those experiences on the ocean, I've come to learn that the ocean is totally in trouble. We have so much trash filling our seas, and it harms wildlife. So part of my role as an artist is to use these materials and educate people about this issue. So I partner with local organizations like Sustainable Coastlines Hawaii and the Center for Marine Debris Research, who do beach cleanups and try to understand where this material comes from. And then they're kind enough to let me use that trash to make art. When I get the material from these different nonprofits, it is completely tangled by the ocean. So it's twisted up into a big knot, and I work with some friends to untangle it and get the usable pieces of rope, out of the knots. And then I have to clean it. So I rinse it with fresh water and a little bit of simple green and hose it down, and then I let it dry, and it's finally ready to be used for artwork. So this green material all the way through here is going to become diamond head. So I've been thinking about this design for at least 2 months, trying to develop a really, hopefully beautiful scene of diamond head. The process of making it is very meditative. I have to carefully place every piece of rope. It has to be perfect. Okay, I think this guy is our winner. And I have to cut it perfectly in order for the general aesthetic to come out really clean and refined. There's plenty that can go wrong. Some of the material is fragile, some of it's almost brand new. And so it's this range of, every piece can throw a curveball at me. So I have to kind of adapt every time. So at this point, I'm about halfway done with the piece, and this is the exciting step of finishing the mountain. I've probably got about 6,000 nails into this piece at this point, so it's a good amount of elbow grease, and that is a labor of love. Nice. That is so exciting when it works. Looking good. Yay. All right, that's actually about the right size for the sun that I was hoping for. Scale feels about right. So that'll be the next step. And then I'll crop it here and there.